Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic options that are perfect for small spaces and travels. The Sangukiro and BenchCarry portable washing machines both offer a 16-liter capacity and multiple cleaning modes. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the Sangukiro portable washing machine is the more affordable option at $69, while the BenchCarry model is priced at $79. This slight difference could influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The Sangukiro operates at 45 decibels, which is slightly noisier than the BenchCarry's 44 decibels. If noise is a concern for you, this minor difference might be worth considering. Finally, let's compare the folded dimensions. The Sangukiro measures 12 by 12 by 6 inches when folded, making it slightly more compact than the BenchCarry, which measures 12 by 12 by 6.5 inches. This could be a deciding factor if storage space is limited. In conclusion, both the Sangukiro and BenchCarry portable washing machines offer great features for those in need of a compact laundry solution. The Sangukiro is the more budget-friendly option, while the BenchCarry has a slightly quieter operation and a more compact folded size. Consider your priorities when making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.